Hey, it's Gordon from Kolena here. In this demo, I'm going to show how you can use restructured agents to automate back office tasks like expense tracking. So I'm going to go create a new agent. I'll say this is for expense tracking. Let's call it the expense tracking assistant. I'll upload an example expense to get started. And I can now add extractions. I'll add an extraction for the vendor. I'll go ahead and add an extraction for the total amount. And while we're configuring this, you can see we're writing the prompt. So what is the total amount of the order? Go ahead and click create. And I'll create another extraction for purchased by. And I'll round this out with an extraction for purchase date. And you can see that these extractions are running as soon as we've created them. And now that we've created this, you can see purchased by Gordon, and purchase date should be Monday, February 17th. So now that we've created these, I'll go ahead and go over to the connections so that we can set up some automations. I'm going to set up a source here where any email that I forward from my gordon@kolena.com email address to the restructured email address will go ahead and be processed by this agent. And I want to output all of this information into a Google Sheet. I'll call it my expense tracker restructured. Go ahead and confirm. And now that I have this source and destination set up, I can now go over to my email client. And here I've got this receipt from Datadog. I can go ahead and just forward that along to dev agents at Restructured. Go ahead and click send. And that email and any attachments will be processed by Restructured. So if we go view all of our runs, you can see we've got this new receipt from Datadog, where this is that email that we saw in my email client. And any attachments on this email would be present here as well. And we've started extracting those vendor, order total, purchase by, purchase date, and we're writing these to that destination that we've configured, that Google Sheet. So when these have finished extracting, they'll go and sync to that Google Sheet, and we can go over to our Google Sheets and see that we have this new expense tracker from Restructured sheet. And this has, you see the Datadog just showed up. I can go ahead and apply some styling here and use this as a means of now having one source of truth where all I have to do is forward emails to Restructured, set up those extractions, and they'll automatically end up in this sheet. So you can automate a lot of tasks like this. This is an early demo. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks.